Morning, welcome to the video, guys. Most of you are probably wondering why I've got goggles on and I'm wearing my hat proper down and I'm about to put my hood up. It's because Smokey's here, I'm here, and we've got the paintball thing, gun gel shooting things out, and oh yeah, they bang. Right, we're out here, we're blasting each other. Now we're having a team deathmatch on the way to a shop. Now if I could show you, these things bang. So yeah, as you see him, they absolutely bang, right? So he's already firing at me, he's hit me from the fucker. Yeah, look at this, he's hit me. Absolutely bang they do. You don't. So I'm gonna clean my lens, get my camera all set up, and it's all out warfare. He's on the run, guys. He's on the run. We're out here. Real life Call of Duty. He can't run from us. Stop! Someone coming. Your mag gets too wet. He's hiding people. Can't run from me, bro. I think I'm all out, to be fair. Oh, there's someone there. Oh, we gotta stash him, guys, because there's a car and people. Hide him, Smokey. We just look like some nut jobs walking around. Get up. Get up. You can tell I play the Cold War. Run, boy, run. Get up there. Oh, I'm being hit. I'm out. Out. Reload time. Here we have it. Get up. Up the stairs, Chevy. Look at this for a fucking point of view. Get up. He's dipped behind the wall, guys. He's not ready for this. He's not ready for this. Them headshots, he had to turn his head then. Go, go, go. Think I'm all out. Time to reload again. Don't do it. Fuck it, yeah. I'm joking, guys. Do not condone. The fucking gel bullets. Wait, we're about. You two. Hey. Oi! Genius! You're about to do a J because we're about to go to the same shop they're about to go to. Go, go, go. So at the minute, I'm heading behind the car. We're ready for him. He's having to hide headshots all day. Pepper the fuck out of him. You know. Move to the next car. Go, go, go. We're behind the van. Right. He's thinking he can hide behind the same van, is it? Is it? Is it? Gotta keep looking at the windows, making sure no one's looking at us, man. Have a big old human-sized game of COD round the streets, you know? I'm all out. Reload time. Pepper him to death. Get up. You dropped something. You dropped something.
Bro.
Got him. What you drop?
The mic.
No way.
It just fell out. I wasn't even
because
on
you're
it.
pressing on the button.
No, because I'm holding it like that.
Leave your ass out. And I'm out. So we've just been to the shop, guys. Got drinks. He's still firing on me. And yeah, we're gonna head back, chill out for the night. Hope you enjoyed this bit of video. Bit of warfare on the way to the shop. You might not be able to see much, but it's been a good laugh. We've enjoyed it. We're out in the wild, hunting wild villains. Shut up. We're hunting wild villains. He's on the run. Ceasefire. Yeah. Wait for him to run out. Keep your back to him. Now the pump. I got half a mag left, make it fucking count. He's on the run. But he's out. Dead. What are you saying, Mush? Killed you. We've got Dylan behind us. Watch this, make him run. I'm out. So that's it, guys. Last half of mag. No more rounds left. I'll put this around my neck with this little fucking cable it gives you. Here we go. Put this around my neck like so I can grab my camera properly. And yeah, it's been a fun do. We've been blasting the shit out of each other. Alright, got my goggles off, no more rounds. What are you saying, Chevy? Good purchase, no?
You got it in my neck now.
You got me in my neck, peppered all my fucking neck up. Don't know if you can see it. Little fucker. But yeah, now we're just on our way back with the drinks. Just got a Monster and a Red Bull. And we're going to end this video here. So I hope you guys have enjoyed just a little gun battle.
To get little Dylan a drink.
Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Stay strong, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next upload. Bye.